12th question. The nitration of alanine in strong acidic medium also gives M-nitroaniline because first part, in spite of substituents, nitro group always goes to only M position. Second part, in electrophilic substitution reactions amino group is meta-directive. Third part, in absence of substituents, nitro group always goes to M position. Fourth part, in acidic strong medium, aniline is present in anilinium ion. Answer: aniline, when reacted with H plus ion, gives anilinium ion. Minus NH3 is M directing, hence besides para 51% and ortho 2%, meta product 47% is also formed in significant yield.